In this video, I'm going to take you through how to set up whiteboards in ClickUp and how I use whiteboards in my content creation and for my personal use. So here we are in ClickUp and I'm going to show you how to start a whiteboard. So if we come across to our folder or space area and we can click the add button. And then when we click the add button, we get the option for a whiteboard. Now, I have to say at this point, the whiteboard is available for everyone. It is actually available on the free account, which is perfect for personal use. For example, if you are a content creator. So once you click whiteboard, it goes into the full screen mode, as you can see here. We can actually get rid of the side panel by going up to the top left and click collapse this side panel, or we can just press Q. Down the bottom here, we have our tools. Up here, we have the name of the whiteboard, so we can just left click there and type in what we would like to call it up there. And then starting down here, we have the V that will select. And we also have the H key, or this button down here, which takes you to the hand that you can use to click and drag. So let me just click on the shapes here and let's go up and create a rectangle. Here you can see that it's flashing in the middle because it is asking for a type of font in here. So we can use these to name our boxes like so. We can change the font size here and we can change the alignment. This shows us the general color of the actual box, so we can change it to a green box or a yellow box, etc., etc. This allows us to bring it to the front and back, or to make it semi-transparent. And then this last one is the line style round the outside of the box, so we can change it to a variety there. Let's just stick with the normal straight box. Okay, so other tools that we have the draw tool, or D, and this allows you to change the color and then just draw what you would like. You can also change this to a highlighter if you wish, as I try to highlight this carefully. And you can also change this to a laser pointer, as you can see here, which is brilliant if you are sharing your information with someone. Okay, so let me just hit V. That allows me to move all this over. Next along, we have the shapes that we've done. Next up, the A gives us the arrow key. This allows us to change the font and the size, etc. It allows us to change the starting point. So if I'm just pressing V to select it and bring it into the screen. So the starting point here, we can have it as a little box. We can change the end point. And we can also change the color. We can change the line style here as well, as always. The other thing that we can do is actually click and bend the arrow, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So we can line it up and show from one box to another. Okay, so next up, let me just move that out the way. Next up on the N key is the sticky note, and the sticky note, you have a choice of colors. So let's go for purple. Get rid of it. You can, of course, type into it by double clicking and then typing straight in. And then you can choose the different font sizes that we had before. You can also change the the actual post-it into a shape if you wish. But notice the actual text is part of the sticky note. If I just put another sticky note to one side here, then pressing V, you can notice that there's these little plus signs, okay? And these plus signs allow you to automatically duplicate or add another post-it note. And then we can use the arrow keys to actually join the notes together if we wished. Okay, then pressing V to select all this and move it out the way. Just a couple more things that we have. This is a frame. So one of the things that you can do with the frame is that if I just click the picture and bring in your ClickUp bestie information, notice that this is now part of this frame. So when I move the frame around by going up to the top here, it will move everything that you've put into that frame. So it's really good for adding things. This is a frame. If I come up here, I can move it along. If I click inside it, I can then crop the picture. These are really good for moving things around. ClickUp does have a number of templates that you can use if you wish. We've got some things for personal use here for you to use, which is brilliant. And those are always there for quick and easy use. So you can see here there's some mood boards or blank whiteboard, or you could do things like site maps or storyboarding, etc., etc. You can use them to brainstorm ideas, to plan your content, to visualize your workflow, or to curate ideas by importing images that you have saved for use later. With whiteboards on your side, wow, you will just be awesome. And if you would like to know how to add tasks to ClickUp, then watch this video next.